So IITK has taught me that when one element of your life is particularly challenging or it is demanding a lot of your time and attention, that does not necessarily mean that all other elements of your life have come to a halt. You sort of have to balance everything.
Cannot change your efforts towards doing something. So yeah, we lost at some events, we won at some events, but one thing that was constant was our hard work and our efforts towards going ahead.
Journey in IIT Kanpur is all about having wonderful experiences with your friends, waking up, learning, doing new things.
Late night practices at the club, music club, wherein we have to perform the very next day.
The journey at IIT Kanpur has been an unforgettable journey. It has filled with a lot of adventures or challenges, I would say.
Over the years, IIT Kanpur has helped me grow a lot, not just in terms of academics, but also in terms of my overall personality, in making social relationships.
IIT Kanpur was my dream institute during the JEE time, so when I got it, I was extremely happy.
My IITK journey, in one word, would be enriching. I've had my fair share of failures, but I believe the institute provides you both infrastructure and environment to develop in whatever spheres you want to.
The amazing supervisors. These were like always there to help me, guide me.
The journey has been truly remarkable. Like the facilities and mentorship that we get here has truly shaped me to be who I am right now.
My journey at IIT Kanpur has been transformative. It has been challenging but also rewarding.
Me that came into this college is very different from the me that's going out.
It is one of the bestest journey where we meet different friends from different places, and now they are like homies.
It has been very transformative for me as a person, as a researcher as well.
The journey at IITK has been like a joyride. It has been lots of learning with lots of fun, ups and downs.
I was never really a public speaker in my school days, and I feel like coming here, joining the Toastmasters Club has really given me a platform.
IIT कानपुर ने मेरा थिंकिंग प्रोसेस को ही पूरा चेंज किया है. IIT कानपुर ने मुझे रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड में फोकस कराया.
All culture event I see and watches and enjoy like that.